I need you guys to trust me for a moment. I know we're just meeting, but I need you to trust me. I'm gonna give you very basic instructions for a very basic task. I'm gonna have you guys try a mind-body connection exercise that I've done with the best basketball players on the planet, because I wanna see how you all stack up. So I need you to set down your coffee, set down your devices, set down your pens, and just have your hands ready. I'm gonna give you very basic instructions for a very basic task. I need you to take your left hand and put it on your nose. Take your right hand, wrap it around and put it on your left ear. And it's okay if you feel a little foolish. You should see what you look like from up here. When I say go, I want you to clap your hands twice, and as fast as you possibly can, you're gonna make the mirror image of that. You'll end up with your right hand on your nose and your left hand on your right ear. I wanna see who the fastest person at the Freddy's reunion is. Go! Oh. Put your hands down. I don't know if Aaron and the rest of the planning committee had you guys sign a liability waiver, but I can't afford for anybody to get hurt during my keynote. As you guys can see, just because something is basic in premise doesn't mean that it's easy to execute. And in your business, in the hospitality business, in the service business, in the food and beverage business, execution is the name of the game. Your success, your growth, and your profitability hinges completely on your ability to execute your three pillars, your three fundamentals: quality, cleanliness, and hospitality. But for those of you taking notes, please write this down. Complexity undermines execution. I'm going to say it again because it's really important. Complexity undermines execution. As leaders, it is your primary responsibility to untether from the unnecessarily complex, make things as simple as possible, focus on the fundamentals, and help your team members simplify success. And ultimately, that is why I'm here today. See, if you're in this room right now, if you are part of this Freddy's reunion, you are a high performer. You all are the Kobe Bryants of the food and beverage space. And one thing I know for certain, having spent my entire life working with, working for, and working alongside the highest performers in both basketball and business, is high performers like you guys are always looking to grow. You're always looking to improve. You're always looking to develop. High performers like you guys are always looking for that edge. And ultimately, that is why I'm here today, to help give you that edge. And I'm gonna do that by telling you some stories and giving you some stats and maybe have you try some things that make you feel a little uncoordinated and uncomfortable. But most importantly, I'm gonna arm each and every one of you with a handful of practical, actionable concepts, strategies, and approaches that you can implement yourself and with your teams immediately to do three things. Number one, improve your personal influence and impact so you can lead with excellence. Number two, how you and your team members can show up every single day as the best version of yourself, ready to make a maximum contribution to everyone and everything around you. And number three, give you the tools you need to continue to build winning teams and a championship caliber culture. But that's a lot to cover in now under 60 minutes, so buckle up. The first three components are going to be the foundational principles of effective leadership, of leading with excellence. And those are going to be your perspective, your core values, and your purpose.